Something else that I imported from Japan, Yanko design, is this Metasil. Can be written without erasing, the Metasil. Can be erased, it does not bleed easily with water or water-based. Easy to get your hands dirty. It's an 8-angle aluminium and with a special core to go without being hard. I think this is essentially an everlasting pencil. Let's have a look. That's really nice. Let's draw something. Very scratchy, has a kind of metallic feel to it. How does it work? Anybody's surprised that a metal pencil has a metallic feel? I don't know if they can make different sort of hardnesses of these, but you get darker lines. It's quite hard, not very dark line here. Definitely need to go over that with something that's actually darker. Perhaps don't need to go quite to 14B there. So I think the idea is that the tip just doesn't really change. I have no idea how it really works. Let's have a little look. So it says, due to the special properties of the core, so it's a graphite and metal alloy in this tip here, in the core of the pencil. It's an aluminium kind of shaft. And then the core, this bit, is a metal with graphite alloy. And they can produce a line which is 16 kilometers long without sharpening. But it could be quite a fragile tip apparently. So you can get these on Amazon actually, that's good. Sunstar is the brand I've got here. Inkless Infinity pen, essentially. It's a very light line, as you can see. I wonder if there's anything they can do to make them darker. He was happy. It's an pained expression there. You can see even a few marks on that changes the shape of the nib of the ordinary pencil, especially when it's a soft pencil like this. Whereas this one should go for some time. Nice. Cool gift.